Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the auto adjust from your edits in CapCut Mobile. So as you guys know, the auto adjust feature is can only be used by you who are subscribed to the CapCut Pro. But if you accidentally use the auto adjust, how you can remove that? So here's I'm going to show you how. Okay, I'm going to add the auto adjust first. Okay, this one you guys can see here, this is a pro feature. So when I click on a check icon and let's say I want to export, CapCut will ask me to join the pro first because I use the CapCut Pro features like the auto adjust. So what you can do is just remove the auto adjust. So there are two ways that you can do. The first one is now you can just click on the adjust again and you'll see on the timeline this is the auto adjust. Just click on that and click on delete. So that's the first option, and the second option is just you can go to adjust again, click on adjust, and here just click on reset. Click on OK, click on a check icon, and there you go. You can see the pro title here has been gone, and if I want to export, I can just export it freely because the auto adjust has been removed. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.